question is, are these lines, or the lines which contain these points, parallel, perpendicular, or neither? So we need to pretty much split this into two parts. Here I have 2 points with line 1, and I want to find their slope. The slope here will be the difference of the y's divided by the difference of the x's, and so m will be 4 minus 9 over 0 minus 1, and that will be negative 5 over negative 1, which equals positive 5. And I'm going to say that's m sub 1, the slope of the first line. Now let's go over to the second line, and again we're going to have m, I probably should write that as m sub 2 equals the difference of the y's, again divided by the difference of the x's. So my second slope is going to be 1 minus 2 divided by 10 minus 5, and that is going to equal negative 1 over 5. Now we're going to compare the slopes. We have a slope of positive 5 and we have a slope of negative 1/5. Since these are negative reciprocals of each other, what does that tell us? That tells us that the slopes are perpendicular. Okay, that's a key problem style. Now we want to graph the line which passes through this point. Okay, if it passes through this point, negative 2, negative 3, we can plot it. Having a slope of 3/4, that means from there we can rise 3 and run 4, get to our next point, which appears to be located at 2, 0, and all we need are those 2 points through which to draw our line. Okay. Name 2 additional points which are on the line you just graphed. Well, I guess what we could do is we could rise 3 and run 4 again, and then rise 3 and run 4 again, and that would give us additional points. So what I'm going to do is the following. We started with the point negative 2, negative 3. And when we said we're going to rise 3, wasn't that going to add 3 to the y coordinate? And when we ran 4, didn't we add 4 to the x coordinate? And that took us to the point 2, 0. Now I can do the same thing to get 2 additional points by adding 4 to the x and adding 3 to the y, and that will get me to 6, 3, and then doing it again, adding 4 to x and adding 3 to y, will take us to the point 10, 6, and we could keep on doing that over and over and over again to generate more points if we wish to. That's kind of a nice little way without having to draw the graph to do it.